Good morning students. So let me continue, that is the next problems in the types of functions. So if you have any problem, please call me and ask whatever the problem if we have that regarding the relation and function, whatever the chapters we have completed on that. So you can ask easily the questions through the comment box. So let me start, that is a question. Prove that the greatest integer function f from r to r given by f of x equal to, it is the greatest integer which is indicated in the square, is neither 1 nor unto. Very important. This is a possibility of asking the question for the 2 marks. Sometimes they may ask for the 3 marks also. So we have to prove it is neither 1 nor onto. So before that we have to know about what we mean by the greatest integer function. What is its basic definition? Greatest integer function means what? How we define the greatest integer? So x, the greatest integer of x is integer. What we have to get? For this x, we have to have an integer that should be less than or equal to x. Is an integer less than or equal to x. So if we take any number, any x, any real number, right, because the domain is a real number, any kind of a real number, for that, so its image, how it should be there, is an integer. Whatever for any real number, it should be integer, and that integer must be less than or equal to x. So it should be less than or equal to x. So then it is how to collect, that is the images of the greatest integer function. For example, we will take, that is a simple example, 2.2. What is the greatest integer of this? So first we have to think about 2.2. So 2.2, it is not an integer. Then what is an integer? 2 is an integer, and that is less than 2.2 or not. So then its image is 2, like this. If we take, that is 2.3, it is not a real integer. 2.3, we cannot possible to take that. 2.3 means, so which is an integer less than 2.3, that is again a 2. So like this we have to know. Suppose if you take, that is a minus 1.2. So which is an integer less than a minus 1.2. So minus 1.2 is not an integer, it is a real number. Then we come to, that is which is an integer less than minus 1. So less than minus 1.2 means, so it is not a 1, minus 1. Minus 1 will become a more. Then which is the integer less than 1, minus 1.2? That is minus 2. So like this we have to find out the images of the greatest integer function. So here we have already studied in the first year what about this greatest integer function, its domain, codomain, range, everything we have discussed, and we know that graphical representation of the greatest integer function. So now actually we have to discuss about the one and onto function. So for a onto function we know its range, and for a one function we have to find out the distinct elements have a distinct images that we have to identify. If we got the distinct element, distinct image, then we can easily say that the function is 1. If the range of the function is equal to codomain, then we can say it is an onto function. So in this method we are going. So let me come to the greatest integer. First 1 function. F is 1. F is 1. For 1, let me consider the distinct real number. So I will take, that is a 1.2, 1.3. 1.3. Two distinct real numbers we have, and it is belongs to the real number, and they are different. 1.2 is never equal to 1.3. They are not equal. Two real number we have assumed that. So and they are different also. Let me find out their images. 1.2. So what is the greatest integer of 1.2? The greatest integer, which is an integer nearer to this, and that should be less than 1.2 is an integer 1, nearer to this, not more than this, it should be less than this. So that is 1. Its greatest integer is 1. Its image is 1. Next we find out that is 1.3. The image of 1.3. The greatest integer of 1.3 is again it is a 1. Why? Because 1 is an integer which is less than. Suppose if you take 2, 2 is more than, but according to the definition, we have to consider an integer less. It is not an integer. 1.3 is not an integer. It is a real number. So real number less than this real number which is an integer, that is 1. But here we confirm that two images, two distinct numbers got their same images. For example, so 1 by 1.2 is equal to f of 1.3. Therefore, different element, same image. Then what we can say? F is not a 1. Therefore, f is not 1. Not a 1. F is not a 1. So this completes about the 1 function. Next we move to that is the onto function. So f is onto. F is onto. So how to prove that is the onto? So whenever we have a standard functions like this modulus function, greatest integer function, sigma functions, at that time we are not able to convert them x in terms of y. So at that time we have to use the definition. We have to identify that is whether it is onto or not through the range of the given function. So we have already known that is the range of the greatest integer function in the previous classes. So that is in the first year. So the range of the greatest integer function is the range of f is equal to z is an integer which is not equal to the codomain, which is not equal to the codomain, that is R, is not equal to the codomain R. Codomain, so simply we call codomain, that is a real number. That integer is never equal to the real number. So therefore f is not onto. So hence we confirm f is not 1 and not onto. Hence f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Neither 1 1 nor onto. So this is about this greatest integer functions. So next we come to that is the fourth question. Show that the modulus function f from R to R, real numbers to the real number. So f of x is mod x is neither 1 1 nor onto. So we have to show that we know already the definition of the modulus function, and what about its domain, range, also we have already known in the previous. Using that concept, we have to prove whether it is a 1 1 or not. So let me come to that is the first 1 1 function. f is 1 1. f is 1 1. So for f is 1 1. So firstly we have to check. Let me consider that is the two elements, that is -1 and 1, belongs to the z, that is a real number. So why? Because these two are a real number, then they are different. -1 is different from 1. Let me find out their images. So f of -1 is equal to mod -1. Mod -1 is a 1. Next, f of 1 is equal to mod 1. 1 is a 1 itself. Why? Because mod, its work is convert that is a negative to the positive. So whatever its output is positive integers only. So next, therefore here we confirm, therefore f of -1 is equal to f of 1. So from this we have identified that different element got the same image. Therefore what we can say, it is not a 1 1 function. Therefore f is not a 1 1 function. F is not a 1 1 function. So next we come to that is the, so second one is an onto function. It is a definite, so standard model function we have. So for that we cannot possible to convert their x in terms of y. For that reason we move with the x, that is the range of the function. The range of the function is for onto, f is onto. The range of f is equal to what? Z plus, or so we call a positive real number also. Positive real numbers we can get positive real number. Positive real number. The range of f is positive real number, but it is not equal to the codomain, that is R. So therefore f is not a onto function. F is not a onto function. Hence, so what we can say, f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Hence f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Neither 1 1 nor onto. So this completes about the modulus function. The range of the modulus function is positive real number. For the positive real number is not equal to the real number. So the range of the function is not equal to its codomain. If the range of the function is not equal to codomain, then f is not an onto function. F is not an onto function. So next we come to, that is the fifth problem. Show that the sigma function, or we can say that is the signum function also. Signum function f from R to R, f of x, it is defined as a, if any x greater than 0, it is 1, equal to 0, 0, x less than 0, that is its take the minus. It is the definition of the given function. So what we have to show is neither 1 1 nor onto. So we know already that is a 1 1 means what? 1 1 means if a different element have a different image, then we say that is a 1. If the different element got the same image, then we will not call it as a 1 1. Next, for onto we use that is the range. If the range of the function is equal to codomain, we say that the function is not a onto function. One more. F is 1 1. F is 1. So f is 1 1 means, so let me take the different element. For example, 1 comma 2. So belongs to the real number, and 1 is not equal to 2, and we find out the f of 1. F of 1 is greater than 0, then its image is 1. Then f of 2 is also greater than 1, so 0, that its image is 1. So therefore f of 1 is equal to f of 2. From here we got the different element got the same image, therefore f is f is not a 1 1. F is not a 1. F is not a 1. Next we come to that is the onto function. Onto function. F is onto function. F is onto function. F is onto function. So F is onto function means, let we come to that is that how it becomes onto. We'll identify that. So range of given function is, so that is 1 0 minus 1, which is not equal to the real number. Real number, its codomain. The range of the function is not equal to its codomain. Therefore, we say that f is not a 1 1 onto function. Therefore, f is not onto function. Onto function. So hence f is neither 1 1 nor onto. So next we come to that is the sixth question. What is there? They have given the set A. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. And so the function is defined in an elementary form. So that is a tabular form they have defined. So 1 goes to 4. So the image of 1 is 4. And the image of 2 is 5. Image of 3 is 6. So every element of the domain have their image and they are different. Then we can easily say that it is a 1 1 function. Why? Because let me consider the different. First, only we have to show 1 1 function, not about a onto. They have asked for a only 1 1 function. F is 1 1. F is 1. So 1 1 means what? Different element should have a different images. Different element should have a different images. So let me consider the image of the given function. So that is 1 comma 2 belongs to A, and 1 is not equal to 2. Different element, which are the elements of the domain. Let me find out their images. F of 1 is 4 and f of 2 is 5. So 4 and 5 never equal. It implies that f of 1 is not equal to the f of 2. Different element, different image we got. Therefore, f is 1 1 function. So like this we have to prove that is a 1 1 function. So this completes the example number 6. So next, 7th question. State whether the function is 1 1 onto or a bisected function. So here, if the function is 1 1 onto, then it is called as a bisected function. First, we have to verify whether the given function is 1 1 onto or not. If it becomes both 1 1 and onto, then it is a bisected function. So first, we clarify about whether f is 1 1 or not. For that, how the domain and codomain are there, that we have to identify. So for the for 1 1, what is the domain? Real number. Real number means f is 1 1, we prove f is 1 1. To prove that is f is 1 1, let me take any real number, any kind of real number. 1 comma 2 is a real number, belongs to, and 1. Simply we have to take very simple examples we have to consider. 1 is not equal to 2. Then we find out the f of images. F of 1 is 3 minus 4 into 1. 4 into 1, 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Next, f of 2. Where there is x, we have to put 2. 3 minus 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 means minus 5. So whether both are equal? No, never. So it implies that f of 1 is not equal to the f of 2. If different element got different images, therefore f is 1. f is 1. f is 1. So next we come to that is the onto function. To prove that the function is onto, first we have to convert that is a x in terms of y. So here it is in terms of x, that we have to convert in terms of y. So for that we make certain arrangement here. Let me consider y is equal to 3 minus 4x. Bring this on this side, what happens? 4x so is equal to minus is there. If you bring on this side, it will become, it is a positive. If you bring this side, it will become a minus y. So x is equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 4. Divided by 4. So here we got the conversion x in terms of y. Then we have to use the first definition for an onto function. For every f is onto for every y belongs to the codomain. What is the codomain? Real number. There exists x is equal to 3 minus y divided by 4. So we have this rational number. Rational numbers are also always in the, so the real number, it belongs to the real number, such that f of x is equal to y. Therefore means x is the pre-image of y, and that x is there in the domain. Means for every y we have a pre-image, and that pre-image is there in domain. So then it is called as an onto. If it is not there in domain, then it is not called as an onto function. Therefore f is onto function. Onto function. So f is 1 1 and 1. Therefore f is 1 1 and onto. Hence f is bisective function. Bisective function. So next problem, state whether the function is 1 1 onto or bisective function. If it is 1, we have to state whether it will become a 1 1 or not, onto or not, or it will become a bisective or not. That we have to prove. So the given definition for that function is f of x is equal to 1 plus x. So to show that the function is 1 1, we know how to show that the function is 1 1. So for that we have to take a different element. So we have to identify their images. If they are different, then we can say that easily it is a 1 1 function. For next onto function, So we move to that is a one. Two definitions are there. We can easily find out the range, or if the range of the function is equal to codomain, then it is becomes the onto function. Otherwise, not. If both one and onto, then it will become a bisective. If any one of not satisfied, then it will not become a bisective function. First, we identify that whether it will become a one or not. So for a one function, first we consider elements of the real number. The elements of the real number. Let me consider 1, minus 1 and 1 belongs to the real number. So they are different. Minus 1 is not equal to 1. So next, so we have to find out their images. That is f of minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to, if you put where there is a x, we have to put the minus 1. 1 plus minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square means it is a positive. 1 plus 1, so it is a 2. And next we find out the f of 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 square. 1 plus 1 square. 1 square means 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 is equal to 2. Here we got the different element, same images. Then what we can say? It is not a one function. F of 1 is equal to f of 1. Therefore, f is not a 1. F is not a 1. So next, for onto, we know what we have to do. So for onto, we have to convert the x in terms of a y. Let me convert it x in terms of a y. So that is y is equal to 1 plus x square. So x square is equal to what? Square root of, x square is equal to y minus 1. X is equal to square root of y minus 1. Y minus 1. So let f is onto. F is onto. For f is onto, so let for every y belongs to the codomain, that is R, there exists x equal to root y minus 1 is not belongs to R. Why? Because if suppose y is a real number, if take the minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, root minus 2 is not there in real number. But for that minus 1, we does not have any pre-image in the domain such that f of x equal to y. So what is its meaning means x is a pre-image of y, but that pre-image is not there in the real number domain. So it is. Therefore, f is not a onto function. So f is neither 1 nor onto. Hence f is not bisective.